I've experienced Leith's Gong experience once before, a little snippet of it that was part of an event I went to, and I was blown away. So when I got to experience this again tonight, I was like, yes, sign me up. The frequency, the vibration that you feel, the experience, both experiences have been quite different for me. So the first one was like I was in a vortex, just getting shifted to another dimension. Another today, I had a bit of what I felt stuck emotion in my back, which dissipated, and then it was like I was just in space, just floating and dancing in space, which was beautiful. So many different experiences. Before I came today, I've had a bit of a busy week, lots of changes actually, so lots of things shifting, so it has come at the perfect time. It's exactly what I needed. The gongs really helped me just relax and let go of any of that emotion that was stuck and needed to be released. I'd recommend gong meditation to anybody, whatever you need. It gives you exactly what you need in that moment, so highly recommend it. Leith's guidance is amazing. He just holds a beautiful space. He makes you feel so comfortable because he's so comfortable, and even if you've just met him, he makes you feel like you've known him for your whole life. Just so much gratitude for this experience. I'm Rachel, I'm Kahuna bodyworker and energy healer.